Favorite color, favorite color, favorite color. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Alright, so let's get started. This one's actually pretty easy. So we're just putting layers together. So this is the bottom piece. So I follow with the other big piece. And then we're gonna connect them with these two that we have into the ears. So the ear right here, let's connect them. Okay, got it. Then we're gonna fill up the holes right here. That's the top piece. As the top piece, so this is gonna go into the slot right here, just like that. And then so this one will go to the top. As you can see, the pattern goes like this. Struggle. Okay, got it. Like that. After this, let's build the bottom piece. So we start with this one. So with the short edge of this one to go in first. Okay, so let's go to the second purple piece. So it will be this purple piece. Okay, so the two dots would go first. Just like so. Alright, so now it goes to the front. This piece. And then just pop into the front. You should see the pattern. Very easy. Yeah. Just like so. And then let's go to the piece with the eyes. And then pop to the top. So now we got this built, and I forgot earlier. So here also have like at the bottom also needs a connector. So we'll use this piece as a connector to open it up. Oops, right there. Open it up and then put in this piece. And then connect them. There we go. And then also right here, this piece to close it up right there. And then so I'm just building the bottom piece over, so you should see this piece to go in here. So we're done with this one right here. So let's go back to the bottom part right here, this piece to close it up, to put in the bottom. Now we're almost done here, so let's go to the side part. On this side, we're gonna start with this piece. Okay, so with the purple up, the light purple, and slide it in all the way. And then let's go into the second one, this piece, go right here. So you can see the white dot is coming out, following the pattern. And then this is the last piece on the side. Just like so. And turn around. Okay, so onto the other side. The first piece would be this one. Okay. And then slide it in. So you will see the white one coming out. And then let's go to the second piece. This is the second piece, so the white part goes to the front. Yeah, looking good. And then the last layer would be this one. And then there you go. The last piece, the mouth. Yay, we look at that. How cute. Look at the color. Oh, this is my favorite color, the purple. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.